Welcome back children for our maths class. Next chapter, chapter 10. Let us move into the lesson mensuration. Perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter is the distance or length around the shape. Okay, so it is the boundary of any closed figure. Okay, when you go around the figure once, whatever figure is given, okay, it is the boundary of the closed figure. Okay, when you are going around the figure once. Okay, your starting point, from the starting point you are starting and you are going round the figure only once. So it is the boundary of any closed figure. Okay, we call it as perimeter. Clear? Perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, now we know in a rectangle the opposite sides are equal. Okay, so consider the rectangle given ABCD. Okay, in this ABCD I told you the opposite sides are equal, that is the side AB and the side CD, they are equal. Okay, same way next set of equal sides are AC and BD. Okay, so the opposite sides AC and BD, they are equal. Okay, so it is AB and CD. Okay, it is the length and AC and BD are the breadth. Okay, now how can we find the perimeter of a rectangle? Okay, so it can, I told you perimeter means it is the distance around the boundary of a closed figure. Okay, so the distance only it is given as length and breadth. Okay, so it can be found by adding all the sides, that is length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. Okay, L plus B plus L plus B. Okay, now L is nothing but 1L. Okay, so 1L plus 1L is equal to 2L. Okay, and again 1B plus 1B is equal to 2B. Okay, so we have 2L plus 2B. Okay, from this can we take 2 common outside? Yes, so 2 into L plus B. Okay, so the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. Okay, we can either apply this formula 2 into L plus B, or we can add all the sides. Okay, the sum of the length of all the sides, okay, is the perimeter of a rectangle. Clear? Next one, perimeter of square. Okay, so what is the property of square? In a square, all the sides are equal. Okay, all sides are equal in length for a square. Now, how can we find the perimeter of the square? We have to add all the sides. Okay, so while adding all the sides, we can find the perimeter by P is equal to A plus A plus A plus A. Okay, we have 4 sides. Okay, so 4 times we are adding. Okay, so this can also be written as 4 into A. Okay, that is A we are having 4 times. We are adding A 4 times. Either it can be found by adding all the sides, or perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. A is nothing but side. Okay, so because all 4 sides are equal in length, no? So one side is taken as A. Okay, so we have 4 into A is the perimeter of a square. Look at the example given. Okay, so A is given as 3. Okay, so how can we find the perimeter? 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Okay, that is equal to 12 units, or we can write it as 4 into 3. Okay, so 4 into 3 is also equal to 12. Okay, this way we can find the perimeter of a square. The next one, perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Now what is an equilateral triangle? Okay, equilateral triangle will have all sides equal in length. Okay, so all the sides will be equal in length for an equilateral triangle. Now, how can we find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle? It is nothing but, as usual, as we did, A plus A plus A. Okay, or we can write it as 3 into A, that is 3 into length of one side. Okay, so this is the formula for finding the perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Clear, children? We saw perimeter of a square and perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Okay, what is similar in these two cases? In these two cases, both figures, they are having all the sides equal, and if you look at the angles also, okay, if in a square, every angle is equal to 90 degree. Okay, so all angles are equal in square. In equilateral triangle also, when do you say a figure is an equilateral triangle? When all the sides and all the three angles are equal. Okay, so in these two cases, they are of equal, the sides are of equal length and the angles also they are equal. Okay, so in cases like that, those figures are called regular closed figure. Okay, so therefore square and an equilateral triangle are regular closed figure. These are some of the regular closed figures. Okay, so we saw equilateral triangle, square. Okay, so equilateral triangle had 3 sides, square is having 4 sides. Now, a figure with 5 sides, we call it as pentagon. Okay, so a regular pentagon. A pentagon means a figure with 5 sides. Okay, and a figure with 6 sides, we call it as hexagon. Okay, and a figure with 7 sides, we call it as heptagon. Okay, 8 sides, it is octagon. 9 sides, nonagon, and 10 sides, decagon. Okay, so if a regular pentagon is given, okay, so what will be the formula? Pentagon means I told you 5 sides. Okay, so square, what was the formula? It is 4 into sides, so 4 into 8. Pentagon, it is 5 sides. Okay, so how can we find the perimeter? It is 5 into 8. Okay, same way we can find for other shapes also. Clear, children? Exercise 10.1, question number 1. Find the perimeter of each of the following figures. Okay, so we have to find the perimeter. How can we find? We have to add all the sides. Okay, so first figure, the sides are given. We have to add all the sides. Okay, so 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 5. So we have 12 centimeter. Clear, children? Next figure. Okay, 35 plus 35. So 35 plus 35 is 70. Okay, so 70 plus 23, okay, plus 40. So adding all the sides. So 3, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 4 it is 13. So 133 centimeter. Okay, now next figure. Next figure, all the sides it is given as 15 centimeter. Okay, so 15 plus 15, again 15 plus 15. Okay, so 15, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20. Okay, 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 60 centimeter. This sum, this way also you can find. Or you can find as 4 sides it is 15 centimeter. So 4 into 15. Okay, so 4 into 15 also it is equal to 60 centimeter. Okay, all sides are equal, so we can multiply and also find out. Clear? Now next one. Next one is 4 centimeter. All the sides it is 4 centimeter. So 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. And 16 plus 4 it is 20 centimeter. Okay, so like this also you can find, or all sides they are equal. So how many sides totally? There are 5 sides. So 4 into 5, that is also equal to 20 centimeter. Clear, children? Now next sum, we have to find perimeter. Okay, now here this side is 1 centimeter. So 1. Okay, now this to this it is 4. So 1 plus 4 it is 5. Okay, now this side it is 0.5. Okay, so plus 0.5. Okay, again this side it is 2.5. Okay, now first we will add this. Okay, so 2.5, here 4.0, here also 1.0. So 5 plus 5 it is 10. Okay, now 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 2 8, so 8, 8.0. Okay, now till this we have added. Okay, now 8 plus we have to add this side 2.5. Okay, so 8 plus 2.5. Okay, plus this side it is 0.5 and this it is 4. Okay, so 8.0. So now adding 5 plus 5 is 10. 8 plus 2 10 plus 1 11, 11 plus 4 15, and decimal point is before one number, so place decimal before one number. Okay, so we have 15 centimeter. Clear, children? Now you can take down the solution for A, B, C, D and E sum. Okay, F sum I told you can do it as homework. Okay, children?